Welcome to Fuel Your Mind, a web series where we explore all things diesel.
Welcome back to Fuel Your Mind. Today we're going to be talking over rust and corrosion in your engine and how fuel additives can help prevent major problems. In order to understand how to prevent corrosion, we have to know how it occurs. In chemistry, corrosion is defined as the process of a refined metal returning to its natural oxidation state. For those of us who aren't chemists, this means that metal, well, rusts. In fact, rust is actually just the name given specifically to the corrosion of iron and steel. To break it down simply, this is what corrosion looks like written out as a chemical process. Water comes into contact with the metal surface, and due to the electrical charge of the water, part of the metal goes into the water, leaving behind a charged electron. This electron migrates over to contact the oxygen outside of the water because of its electrical charge and forms a new substance. This substance then reacts with the part of the metal that left originally and combines to form what we call rust. When this process occurs inside the fuel system of your engine, it causes a number of problems. One of the most visible problems is rusting through parts. Fuel tanks, lines, pumps, and any other metal part is at risk of rusting. Rust particles break off from the surface and can clog filters, resulting in low power and inefficient combustion. In order to protect metal parts from rusting, a barrier must be formed between the metal surface and the water and oxygen to stop the chemical reaction from taking place. This barrier has to also be chemically attracted to the metal surface. Otherwise, the substance will be left floating around inside your fuel. Whatever material is used as the corrosion inhibitor additive, it has to be safe for your fuel and not cause any other problems in your engine. Preventing against rust and corrosion is the best step to take and the most inexpensive. For a safe and reliable corrosion inhibitor, check out our EDT. Well, that's it for today. If you have any questions, please send us an email at video@hotshotsecret.com. And as always, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up so we can keep making them for you. We'll see you next time on Fuel Your Mind.